Have you ever worried that your heart might drift, that the faith you have today might slip away tomorrow? They say, Our Lord, do not let our hearts deviate after you have guided us. Grant us your mercy. You are indeed the giver of all bounties. This dua was made by believers who understood something we often forget. Faith is fragile. It doesn't come once and stay forever, it needs to be protected, every single day. They prayed, O our Lord, do not let our hearts deviate. Because even after guidance, the heart can be tested, tempted, confused, lost. Then they ask, and grant us mercy from yourself. Because staying firm isn't just about trying harder, it's about Allah's help. And they end by saying, You are the one who constantly gives. Even when we don't deserve it, He still gives. So ask Him, Ya Allah, keep my heart on your path, today, tomorrow, and until my last breath. Comment, Ya Allah, keep my heart on your path. Share this with someone who's trying to stay consistent. Follow for more duas that protect your heart.